Good morning, truck team. Where do you think you would find me on a 90-degree day? My favorite spot, Lake Effect Artisan Ice Cream. This is the best ice cream in the world. Everything is done handmade, even down to putting the little marshmallows on the pints you would buy for hot chocolate ice cream. Their flavors are different. Their flavors are wonderful. And in fact, the owners of this beautiful place where you can eat inside or outside are teachers at Lockport High. Jason Wolf is an art teacher. Eric Bernardi is a biology teacher. So it seems the art and science have come together to make the most delicious ice cream in the world. They're even talking about, they're like Ben and Jerry's of Lockport. We're so excited that they are here. To think 5 years ago they had a freezer chest on wheels at the Lockport Craft Show. And 5 years later, working like crazy, as well as teaching during the day, here is what they have. It just goes to show you, you cannot give up on your dream. Why are we here? We're going to be talking about something that sounds really scary, dimensional analysis, but it's really easy. It's just converting units. Remember when we had a gallon and we wanted to put them into pints, or we have pints and we want to put them into gallons. That's all we're doing here. They make their ice cream in 5-gallon increments, not mass produced like other ice cream places. And so I thought we could do some conversions using that. Let's talk about that. Let's start very simply with our big gallon. You know we have 4 quarts in a gallon, and then there's 2 pints in each quart. You have to know that for our conversion factor, the number we have to multiply by. So let's start. What if I told you they made 5 gallons? I'm wondering how many, let's start with a very easy one, how many quarts that would make. Well, we're going to change this multiplication, and what we're trying to do is cancel out units, gallons, quarts, cups, instead of numbers. So if quarts is on top, I need a gallon on the bottom in order to cancel it out. So the number, the fraction that I need, my conversion factor is going to be, well, there's 1, this is the big one, and there's 4 quarts in a gallon. I simply multiply, because this cancels out, all I have left are quarts. 5 times 4, 20 quarts. Real easy. Let's try one a little harder. What if I had 2 3/4 gallon and I want to change it into pints? Okay, we're going to make a multiplication out of this. Pints is on the top. I want to cancel, so gallons has to be on the bottom to cancel out. And now I know this is going to be a 1 big gallon equals how many pints? 8 pints. Now I can just do my multiplication. Gallons cancel out. I'm going to end up with pints. That's what I want. 2 3/4 times 8. I need my improper box. 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11 times 8. Cancel. 4 into 1. Reduce. 4 into 8. 4 into 8 twice. I get 22 pints. Now I'm going to show you a very difficult one that 7th graders would have to know. What if I had 5 gallons and they said it takes them about 3 hours in this 5-gallon container to make the ice cream? I want to know how many pints per day that would be. This is a long one. 7th graders, stay with me. So I'm going to put what they gave me, 5 gallons, 3 hours. And then I have my magic factor here, my conversion factor. And I'm going to say, well, I want pints, so I want to cancel gallon. 1 gallon, remember, was 8 pints. But if I cancel, I still have this hour over here. So I need to do another step. I need to have hours up here, and we were looking for a day. So 1 day is 24 hours. Now the gallons cancel, The hours cancel. I'm going to end up with pint per day. That's my goal. And now I just multiply. In fact, I can cross reduce 3 into 3 once, 3 into 24, 8. I get 5 times 8 is 40 times 8. 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. 320 pints a day. Not too bad, not too hard. Come on down and taste this ice cream. You're going to love it. They even have it in Tops and Wegmans, and you can buy it there. But it's so much fun to have it here. I was so excited when I came here. 2 of our DeSales alum, Ellie and Cassandra, were here working, so they helped me out a lot. So thank you, girls, and thank you, Trek team. Come back and trek with me again.